Here at the School of Trades and Technology, we offer foundation and apprenticeship training backed by the Industry Training Authority.
The thing I like about carpentry is the creativity that it provides. If you have carpentry skills, you'll never be out of work, and you get to build stuff like this.
My father got me into the welding trade. I really enjoy working with my hands and building. They can go anywhere with this trade.
I chose instrumentation because the work was much more challenging and rewarding than the work I was previously doing. Technology changes in industry constantly, and as a trained instrument technician, you will be tasked with implementing these changes in the industry of your choice.
I chose heavy mechanical because I love to work with my hands. The job is different every day, and there's a ton of opportunity.
I got into this field many years ago into the culinary industry because I wanted to have impact on people's experiences. Food is so powerful and it has such a means to impact events, impact the way people look at themselves, but also celebrate joy. And being a culinary professional will give you that avenue to a lifelong career of helping people satisfy their wants and needs in event purposes.
I chose the piping trades because there's a large variety of work environments and materials to work with. The trade is in high demand and you get to do something new every day.
I became an electrician because it ladders into what I'm interested in, renewable energy. You should become an electrician too, because the work is very in demand and the industry is so versatile you'll never be out of work.
Yeah, I got into the automotive field many years ago. I was always interested in fixing things and rebuilding things. I found it very exciting, and the automotive field was just a natural fit for that. I recommend anybody that doesn't want a monotonous job, that wants a challenging job. You look at a brand new car nowadays and you pop the hood, somebody has to fix that stuff.
What inspired me to take horticulture is my love of the outdoors as well as my passion for growing plants. Two reasons why a student might want to take horticulture here at TRU is an enjoyment working outside, as well as an interest in learning about all the opportunities that exist in the horticulture industry.
I got into the machinist trade because I was really interested in how metal parts were made, and that got me excited. It would probably be a good trade for you if you are detail-oriented and you really like to create things. If you like working with machinery and you like a lot of variety in your job, the Millwright trade offers a lot of opportunities. It might be the trade for you.
I got into meat cutting as a hobby. I owned a farm and wanted to see where my food came from. I think if you're interested in the field, there's lots of opportunities from abattoirs to custom cut shops and grocery stores. I think everybody wants to know where their food's coming from nowadays.
I chose power engineering because of the wide range of employment opportunities. And all this comes from a 9-month full-time program that gets you a certificate in the end.
Okay, the reason I got into this trade, we need electrical and a mechanical background. This provides both. As for a student to get into this trade, it's always in demand. There is new and exciting innovation all the way through the trade, and honestly, it is the coolest trade.
We look forward to seeing you here.